Holy crap!
Oh, dude, we're right there.
This is so cool! This is awesome! So today we are doing laundry for the first time while we're down here in Baja, Mexico. It's a little different than back home. We aren't doing it ourselves. This is like a drop-off service. You just drop off your loads, they weigh it, and then you just pay the sum. They'll have it folded, clean, and everything ready for you. Sometimes in less than like 3 hours, sometimes it's overnight. It just depends on how busy they are and how much laundry that you have. So far, what we have, what's left?
Sheets.
Oh, sheet.
Wait for that.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas.
For me, it's okay. Otherwise, we have good detergent here.
We just use theirs.
Okay, that's fine.
Is that okay
Yeah.
if we just use yours? Cool. Let's just
Perfect.
do that. I feel
Okay.
like I'd like that better anyway.
Alright.
Great, thank you so much. Yeah.
Tomorrow
All
at
right.
9.
Yeah, great,
You can
thanks.
do
Nombre, name?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Braden.
Brandon.
Brendan.
Yes.
Like Brendan Fraser?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Got it.
All
Great,
right.
thank
See
you
you
so
mañana.
much.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Hasta
Hasta
mañana.
mañana.
Oh, wow.
Perfect. Oh, they smell so good too.
Oh, nice. Gracias. It looks like a million times less. Like, where'd all our clothes go? Got it. Go get it.
Wow, this is clean. Is this the same robe? Pretty sure it was tan before I gave it to them.
Yeah, it definitely was. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah. We're like looking at everything like, ooh, ah. Dude, she killed it with the folding.
Dang. Wow, look at that. Let me just... Very impressed. Everything smells super clean. Everything looks clean. It's all folded really neatly. And it was 350 pesos.
Like 15 bucks.
Well, yeah, which is like 5, 10, 15. Yeah, probably almost $20. Between 15 and 20 bucks. Which is not bad for how much laundry we had. And we didn't have to do anything. All we had to do was drop it off.
I would do this all the time. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh! It's so scary! Holy crap! Oh, I'm so terrified.
What are you waiting for?
Pulling in that spot so that we can fill up our water. So do I try it again, go faster, or what?
Go faster and send it. Everybody hold on to your doggies. Yeah, I'll stay like on this path. Yeah. Oh dude, we're right there. Holy crap, come on. Oh, come on. Boom, baby, just like that.
Woo!
We got traction. Yeah, how do you feel?
Oh my gosh. Hope there's no more like that. Like,
Yeah.
Where's the spring at?
Yeah, where are we going at this point? There's a van behind us, so hopefully that means we're on the right path. Guess we'll see. Do you have cash or you
already paid.
Okay.
漂亮，对，ya están las dos, ¿no? Dos.
No.
Sí.
Don't know where we're going.
Just following him.
I guess he's walking us to the hot springs.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
That's awesome.
This is so cool. There's more up there.
Wow.
So we're in a debacle. Debacle? Debacle? Debacle?
The boggle?
Debacle?
The bagels?
Debagles. Because we're just walking around to see what the site looked like, make sure we were at the right camp spot, and we were just following the guy, and I guess he was leading us down to the hot springs. We didn't really know that, and so we didn't prepare to come to the hot springs yet. So we're debating whether to just strip down our undies and hop in, or just go back to the van.
Or skinny dip.
Or skinny dip. So we just left the first hot spring. We want to make some lunch and then head to the second hot spring. I'm gonna take out the dogs first though. All right, so now we're headed to the second spring.
This cow is so pretty. I'm so sorry.
We hear this one's better. It's literally the next parking lot over and the next trail over.
Which is hard to believe because the one we just went to was stunning.
I think they're gonna be equally as awesome. Let's go check it out. Let's check out the baby cow.
Got my 4-wheel drive going on here.
So you take on this trail.
I could swim, by the way. I'm just being a weenie.
That's so cool. This is so cool. This is awesome.
This is, we're starting over? Yeah. All right.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
These count.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that was one.
How did he make that?
It was thick. 6.5, 7. That was girthy. So that's what was girthy. It was girthy.
Just send it.
Ooh, here we go.
That was pretty high.
That was pretty bad.
Bigger than that?
What did I get? What did I get?
You got a 3.5. Let's go.
Oh. Ooh, that was a good
That
one.
was better.
Look at the ripples.
I give it a 7. That was better.
Tad's unimpressed.
6.8.
I'm heading in the right direction.
Oh, no.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was good.
You got some claps over you too.
9.5, 9.8.
If it was higher, you would have gotten a solid 10.
I'll take it.
9.8.
Get into it.
That was really good.
That splash went above the rock.
That was definitely in the 9s.
Not bad for a song
Oh,
that started out
9
at a 3,
coming
huh?
from
Yeah.
Abby. That's
Most improved, right?
Whoa, good job, guys. Yeah, I think we should stop there.